If you're seeing your request has been blocked by network security on your laptop while trying to use apps or websites, don't panic. I'll show you exactly how to fix it quickly, so let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and a wired connection or even try another network if you can. Sometimes your network security settings block certain requests. Next, disable VPNs or proxies if you're using any. VPNs can trigger network security blocks, so turn them off temporarily and try again. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open any of your preferred browser and then click on the three dots menu at the top right corner of your screen. From there, go to Settings. Now tap on Privacy and Security, then click on Delete Browsing Data. After that, check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached image files, then click on Delete Data to confirm. Once done, restart your browser and try again. After that, check your firewall or antivirus settings. Sometimes firewalls block apps or websites by mistake. You can temporarily disable the firewall or antivirus to see if that fixes the issue. Remember to turn it back on after testing. Next, try a different browser or app. If you're blocked on Chrome, switch to Edge, Firefox, or Safari and see if it works. Finally, if none of these work, restart your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and then test again. And that's all. Following these steps should fix the network security block on any app or website. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.